Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, today we're in the kitchen. Let's get to it. We're decorating for spring, just subtle touches here and there. So to start, I'm going to be going in with this white platter. It was $9 at Ross. Plate stand. Let's place it. So you will be seeing me use these little risers. They come in a set of 3. They're a little bit of a splurge, but I love the detail. It's so feminine and pretty. So I'm gonna use one here. I'm breaking them up, and on the island, I'm gonna stack 2. You'll see that in a while. Anyway, I'm gonna place it beside the platter. Okay, next we're rigging something. I have this little cute ceramic basket bowl, and I just stacked some old coasters in the center of it. Then I'm gonna take a boxwood wreath and just lay it on top. All right, next, I was inspired by Michelle from Uniquely Vintage You YouTube channel. I'll link her below. You guys, she is fabulous. I wish that I could thrift the way she thrifts. Always seems to find the most amazing items at great prices, but in my neck of the woods, the prices are outrageous, and I just simply refuse to pay top dollar for used items. So that's just me, but I do enjoy watching her channel and all of her unique finds and how she styles them in her house. She's a beautiful soul inside and out. She has a beautiful sister who shows her home as well. They are such wonderful, sweet people. I highly recommend her channel, and I'll link her below. But she inspired me with some of her finds. So I did go out thrifting a few weekends back, and I found one item. What can I say? But look what I found. I found this adorable bunny lamp. I couldn't resist. I just could not resist. I said, that guy is coming home with me. So cute. I always love to put lighting in the corners of my kitchen so it lights it up and just gives it that homey, cozy feel no matter what time of the day. My thought process, put a platter here to conceal the outlet, and we'll have a little pop of light right here in the corner. How sweet. Love him. So I think that looks really cute, and we're just gonna add a little something beside it. I have this little bunny that I found at Ross. I shared this with you a while ago, you know, with my stalking Ross shopper, trying to find out if she was gonna get one of the bunnies I wanted, that video. So anyway, so cute, $16.99, love it. But I just put a little bow on him just to dress him up. Anyway, I like the brown in the bunny. It coordinates with the brown over here. So I really love this look, but I want to hide that cord right there. Salt and pepper shaker, cloche. this little crock full of spatulas, and then this in the corner. So right here, I like to go in with my cutting boards. I have such a big collection, and these are kind of my favorite. They just pop here in the kitchen. So I'm gonna strategically place them right here like I always do. Here, I have this lantern, and what I did was, I shared this before. I get these little lamps on Amazon, and then I pop them into my lanterns around the house. It makes everything so cozy. I am sort of styling with things I've already shared with you. It's only because these are things that I truly, truly love, like this marble serving board. And I just love black and white, so I'm gonna pop that right next to the lantern to conceal the outlet. Walmart, and I got all of these from Hobby Lobby. We don't really prep here. We prep on our island if we're chopping vegetables or fruit or we're cutting up meat. So this is really my only place to really decorate, in 2 areas on the island. It's kind of how I roll. I have this little planter from Walmart, simple topiary ball, perfect for spring. And then next, I have this apothecary jar. I'm tying in the coordinating ribbon that I used over there. And then I have these wooden eggs. Just put them in the apothecary jar to add a cute festive touch here in the kitchen. So up top, I have a brown wicker basket with handles. Over here, I have an olive faux plant, another woven basket with handles. And moving over here, I have these 2 checkered planters that I got from Walmart, and I popped some yellow flowers in there to add a pop of color up above. And then I have another olive tree and yet another woven basket. And I'll stand back in just a moment, but before I move on, I just wanted to show you. Very simple. We have this big long island, and in each corner of the island, I like to do a display. So I'm going to go in with this rustic riser that I found thrifting. Oh, I have an Easter wreath that I got from Walmart. I'm going to lay this on top of that circular riser, and then I'm going to add a big bunny to the center of it. And then here's that big bunny I found at Ross, and I just put a ribbon around the neck. It has a really cute basket, and this bunny is going to go in the center of that wreath. And so I'm gonna scoot him over just a tad and I'm gonna do a vignette right there, a layered look. So here's another black riser. And I'm gonna put another one on top of it because I wanna elevate my look. And then I have this little bunny from Ross. And then I have a pick from Walmart. And I'm just gonna set this right here. Okay, right here I have this huge dough bowl that I got from Home Goods. And then I have some greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna lay it in the dough bowl. I have a cloche set by Mud Pie. I got this on Amazon. It was a little bit of a splurge, but I'm gonna decorate with these on my bar cart. Let's start with this one. I have this really cute bunny planter I got on Amazon. I tried to put it on top of that, but this is making it too big, the base. So I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna take the base and use it on the top here. I got this planter from Ross. I'm gonna put that cloche right there. And then I have this platter, and this is gonna go on the back side, pushed up against the island. And then I'm gonna add in this Papa Green. This is from Ross. well, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed today's video, would you mind giving me a big thumbs up, because it truly helps my channel and I greatly appreciate it. All right, friends, until we meet again this Friday, I will see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.